Hi all, welcome to our fourth video in this series. Today we will try to uncover and understand one of the most interesting feature of Microsoft Excel, and that is conditional formatting. As the name suggests, this feature gives us the capability to visually highlight the data based on certain condition. To understand this statement and get it conceptually tested, we need to up our sleeves and get our hands dirty. This is an Excel table which has name of users, quantity for the product, amount paid for those products, and then the expiry date for the batch of products purchased. Based on this table, I have created some problem statements and we will try to solve each one of them. But then before getting into each of the problem statement one by one, what exactly are you able to see here? Are you not able to see cells which are visually different and identifiable here? This color formatting is done basis some condition which we will uncover one by one. But before getting into the problem statements, let me first clear all the conditional formatting so that we can start afresh. For that, we need to click in conditional formatting under styles, clear rules, and then clear rules from this table. Now we will go into the first problem statement. Highlight cells that are less than 500 in quantity column. So it is saying in this quantity column, we want to highlight all the values, all the cells which has less than 500 value. So first we need to select all of these cells inside quantity column. We need to go in conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and inside that highlight cell rules we can see lot many options already available there. We need to select less than option. We need to input the figure which we want as the condition and then the color with which we want it to be highlighted. Let's click on OK and we are done. Similarly, you can have any condition in your mind, like if you want to highlight cells which are more than 600 or 500 or less than 500 or 400, you can do it, you can play it around. Okay, let's discuss the second problem statement. Highlight names which are expired. Okay, now to understand what it is asking, we need to understand that almost all products have expiry date in the market, which means after that date product will be unfit for use. So logically thinking, if the given expiry date is less than today's date, like yesterday or older than that, we can conclude that the product has reached its expiry date and unfit for use. For example, today's date is 7th of Feb. Now if any of the dates in this expiry date column is less than this today's date, it means that has reached its expiry date and it is unfit for use. So this problem statement is asking to highlight the name of those users against whom the date has already reached the expiry one. So in that case, what we need to do, first we need to highlight or select all the names, and then we need to go into conditional formatting, and then we need to create a rule, because this is something where the condition needs to be applied on a different column, that is expiry date column, but then we want the formatting to be done on a different column, that is name column. So we need to create a new rule here. Last one is the one which is going to help us, that is use a formula to determine which cells to format, and then in the formula we can give is equal to E2 less than today's date. And let me tell you, this today function is used to fetch the present date which is connected to our system date and time. And then we can select the color with which we want to format the name column. So let's select as per the problem statement. It is saying, oh okay, it is not giving any color name, so let's select any random color. Let's select yellow. Okay, and then do okay. So these four names are highlighted. Let's check if they are already expired. So 25th Jan, 4th Jan, 5th Jan and 6th Jan. So all these 4 dates, if we see, they are older than today's date. It means products which are with these users, they are already expired. Okay, now let's discuss the third one. So it is saying highlight amount cells red having 3000 to 5000 and green 5000 plus. So it is asking to highlight the cells in amount column with red color if they lie between 3000 to 5000 and then green color if it is 5000 and plus. So again we need to select all the cells inside amount column. Again go to conditional formatting. Okay, so this can be achieved by using highlight cell rules and then these predefined options. But then I want to show how this can be done by writing the formula on our own. So let's go into manage rules. We can see all the formulas which we have already applied. And then in here we can click on new rule and then we can select this one, format only cells that contain, and then cell value between one is 3000 and another is 5000. So between 3000 to 5000 we would like to highlight and then highlight with red color, right? So let's select red. Okay, if we do apply, so anything which lies between 3000 to 5000 will have this red color. Now we can see here we need to create another rule where we need to highlight all the cell values which are 5000 plus and then with green color. So we need to select again the same, format only cells that contain, cell value in place of between we can select greater than 5000. So color we want green and then click OK. Apply. So all the values which are 5000 plus, they will be highlighted with green color. Let's do OK. And we are done. Once you become proficient in writing formulas, rather than opting for these predefined rules, we can go for new rule and then we can give our own formulas. For example, in this one where we have opted the predefined one to highlight the values which are more than 5000, we can delete this rule, apply it and it has gone. We can create a new rule using formula and we can give is equal to D2 greater than 5000 and in the formatting we can select the color like the earlier one, do OK, apply and we are done. Thus you can go by either way, either opting the predefined rules or writing your own formula. So I hope I have been able to make you understand the relevance of conditional formatting today. And again, practice can only make you perfect. See you soon in the next video and we'll take you through the roller coaster of formulas and function. Till then, keep up your good work and continue learning journey. Thank you.